So, good day everyone. I am Damer Adlawan. So, yun. Dito, ang pag-uusapan natin ay CMS or Content Management System and its platform technologies. Yan. Ano nga ba yun? Yung mga platform technologies niya. It is the foundation for creating and managing digital material. Is provided by Content Management System which use a variety of technologies to meet diverse objectives. Here's a true rundown. Yan. So, yan. Yan. Ayan yung mga common CMS na ginagamit or madalas marinig. Yan. CMS, WordPress. Ano yung technology na inano niya? Yan. Mostly MySQL and PHP. Yung pwede mong integrate dito. So, application, broad ranging from corporate websites to blogs. Yan. Ayan yung ano niya, functionality. Offers an extensive ecosystem of plugins, adaptable themes, and an intuitive user interface. Pero yung ano niya, yan, pwede ka rin maglagay dito ng mga e-commerce. So, ganun. So, next is Joomla, MySQL and PHP din. Suitable for intricate websites such as social network and e-commerce. So, yun pala yung pinaka-ano ng Joomla. So, places focus on flexibility, sophisticated user administration, and well-organized material. Next is Wix. JavaScript HTML5. An easy-to-use website constructor. So, yun, kung makita nyo, Wix yung ginamit ko. Madali nga siya. Yan, easy to use. Kung may mga ano kayong gawain, gusto nyo lang gumawa ng portfolio, pwede sa Wix. Kasi mabilis lang siyang makadevelop. Renowned for having an easy to use, yan, drag and drop interface, eye-catching templates, and app market with extra features. So, yun, marami pang ibang functionality yung Wix. Squarespace naman, JavaScript and Python, specifically for portfolio, blog, and company website builder. Yan. It includes integrated blogging, yan, sleek templates, and pre-installed e-commerce functionality. Next is Ember.js and Node.js. It is simplified in particular for blogging talaga. Yan, include a markdown editor for content production, a minimalist appearance, and focus on publishing. Yan. Sa blogging kasi more on publishing yan. Post, yan, ganun. Post ng informative, ganun, or kahit anong blog. Yan. MySQL and PHP for Drupal naman. Yan. Perfect for complex, highly configurable websites. Yan. Medyo complex nga to since nagamit ko siya. Medyo hindi nga siya user friendly, hindi siya pang beginner. And well known for their scalability for big projects, versatility, and strong security. So ayun din yung kagandahan ng Drupal kasi nga yung security niya. Yan, compare mo sa iba. Medyo angat-angat siya. Yan, sa Magento naman is mostly MySQL and PHP. A specialized online store naman siya. It includes scalability, a robust marketplace for extensions, and powerful product management. Next is Rails with Ruby on Rails. Yan. A comprehensive e-commerce platform for companies. Pangalan pa lang, Shopify. For e-commerce talaga, platform for companies of all sizes. Rich app store, hosted solution, and simplicity of setup. Ayun. Kaya medyo matunog din yung pangalan na Shopify. Dahil nga siguro dito sa parang easy to use din siya. Kasi yung mga rich app store. Yan. So, yun lang for CMS or Content Management System. Thank you for listening.